My name is Joshua Misu. I'm from the AQ 3A.
Hello everyone, my name is Bonaventure Vitalis. I'm from the AQ3. I'm a student at Polytechnic Sandakan Sabah. And today we will talk about how to choose and process catappa leaf for our betta. First of all, we need to find the Terminala catappa tree. This tree was planted in areas of government buildings such as hospital or school. This is because the leaf of this catappa tree are quite large and used as a shelter. As you can see here, this is catappa leaf that fall from the tree. It's big enough to make a shelter for people away from the sunlight ray. We need to find a dried out catappa leaf. As you can see here, there are many dried catappa leaf. After that, we must choose catappa leaf that were dried enough. We can use our hand to crush the leaf. Leaf that were easy to crush are better than leaf that are hard to crush. And for this one, this is not good enough because the catappa leaf is still loamy. As you can see here, it's still loamy. And for this green one, this was not recommended because it's still green and will never produce a good quality of water.
Next, the catappa leaves collected just now was washed by using water and blue salt to ensure that the catappa were clean and do not bring disease to our betta fish. Since we don't have any blue salt, you also can use tap water that has been chlorinated to disinfect the catappa leaf. After the catappa leaf was washed, take a container and fill it with water. If the water is chlorinated, use anti-chlorine. After the container has been filled with water that does not contain chlorine, soak the washed catappa leaf and leave it for a day. After a day, the water in the container should be brown. If it's green, the catappa leaves that were chosen are not suitable because they are too young. As you can see, this is the result of soak the catappa leaves for about 1 day.
Catappa leaf has many benefits. First of all, treating disease such as white spot. White spot was a disease that will usually happen in betta fish. The disease can damage betta fish scales and ruins the beauty of the fish. Secondly, catappa leaf can also stimulate betta fish to produce bubbles during mating. This is a good sign because the fertilized egg will be stored in the foam produced.
Catappa leaf can also treat fin rot disease and maintain the beauty of betta fish tail. This was due to presence of vitamins from catappa leaves that help in maintain the water quality. Lastly, catappa leaf can also reduce stress or soothe betta fish, and this will result in productive environment and will prevent betta fish from stressful environment. This is because catappa leaves will make the water brown, and this was natural habitat of betta, which is a dark environment. Thank you.